What's up guys, Pabs Moneybags here, back with another video. Got a couple things I want to talk about today, a couple announcements as well as my favorite shoe of the year. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. First announcement, if you couldn't tell already, I changed the name of the channel. When I first opened this channel up, it was meant to be a sketch, skit, prank, regular, typical YouTuber stuff. That's why the name was Pabs Moneybags for the longest time ever. And also because I'm kind of gravitating into more open areas, rather than just doing sneaker unboxings now, I'm also going to be doing technology unboxings, which actually leads us into our second announcement, is the fact that I'm going to be opening a new channel where I'm going to be a little bit more open, a little bit more true, or speaking my truth, I guess. It's gonna be a really broad channel. I'm just gonna share my personal experiences. I've been meaning to start a podcast for like a year now, and this new channel is gonna allow me to do that. But unfortunately, that means that I will be slowing down on this one, on PMV unboxings. I'm not gonna be doing as many videos here because I want to focus on that one. It's something my friends, family, professors, a lot of people tell me I have the talent to speak in front of the camera and not only speak but also, share these lessons and stories, and maybe I could help you guys a lot more than I could by opening sneaker boxes or technology boxes. Now realize that just because I said I'm gonna be doing less unboxings doesn't mean I won't be doing them at all. I might not make another sneaker unboxing or another sneaker video for the remaining of the year. I might be dropping a technology unboxing though. So today I'm actually gonna announce my favorite 2019 sneaker. Same rules as last year. Well, technically this year, because I did the video in January where I announced the React Element 87 as my favorite sneaker of 2018. But same rules as last year. It has to be a sneaker that I not only unboxed, but I also kept. And with that said, my favorite sneaker of 2019, the PG 2.5 in the PlayStation colorway. Man, every day I look at them and I'm like, they're like wine. They age well. This sneaker has been amazing. Let's look at the light turning on. Can you see it? Can you see it? There you go. Ironically enough, I got this shoe at a really positive time earlier this year. January was a really good time for me. And although those moments don't necessarily last forever, because life, it's a roller coaster, this shoe, brings back the memories and makes you appreciate the sneaker and the time period that you were living in a little bit more. And I mean, that's the whole thing about sneakers, right? They make you remember. They make you, they have stories, and this sneaker has plenty of stories. And I guess all I can say is thank you for being part of the journey, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Pabs Moneybags, out.